Welcome back guys, Karen is right here with a new video, and today I am going to demonstrate how you guys can switch from the custom ROM to the stock ROM, or if you want to downgrade or upgrade any of your Nothing and CMF devices to any specific version. So let's get started. First of all, open your favorite browser, and I am using Chrome here, and here we have to type Nothing Archive GitHub. I'm also providing all these links in the description. And here is the first link named Spicon Nothing Archive. Just open it, and here we have to scroll a bit to the download section, and we have all the Nothing and CMF supported devices here. For this particular video I am going with the Pac-Man device, and here we have the OT images. So click on the here icon and scroll a bit. We have to download all these files right here: boot image, firmware image, and logical image. We need to download all the 4 parts of the logical image. And skip the first image with hash SHA256. No need to download this image, just download the below 6 images. After that, we have to download the flasher tool. For this, type Nothing Flasher Tool GitHub. And here is the first website. Just click on the Nothing Flasher, scroll a bit, and we are using Nothing Phone 2a for this. Click on the Windows icon, and here we got the raw file. Just click on the download icon and it will start to download. Now we have to open the settings app in our Nothing device. Open it and scroll a bit to find the about phone section. Scroll and find the build number, tap 7 times on it. Go back and open the system tab. Here we have to find the developer options. Scroll to find the USB debugging option and enable it. As I have already enabled it, so let's move to the next step. Also, don't forget to remove all your Google accounts in your device before proceeding to this. For this, move to the password, passkeys and account section, and here you will find all your Google accounts. You have to remove it before proceeding. This will help to avoid FRP issues. And now we have to extract all those files which we have downloaded earlier. I am using 7-zip here, and remember to extract all these files in a single folder. I am naming this folder as flash files and click OK. It will extract all those files in a single folder. It will take hardly 10 to 15 seconds depending upon your PC's performance. And here we have a single folder with all those files. Now let's just move the flash or bat file to this folder and open it. Double tap on it and click run. Type Y again, and here we have to type Y again, and now type N. It will download the platform tools, so we need an internet connection for this. Press any key to continue, and now you can disconnect your internet connection. Open the platform tools folder and click on the empty space and type CMD. Type ADB devices, and this serial number indicates that our device is successfully connected to the PC. So my Nothing phone is connected to my PC, and now I am going to reboot it to the fastboot mode. For this I will type ADB reboot bootloader and hit enter. Now type fastboot devices, and our fastboot device is also connected. So go back and double click on the flash all bat file. Click run. Now type Y here, Y again, and Y again 3 times, and type N. Flashing both partitions. Type N here. Flash VB meta. Because bootloader won't be lockable if we select Y, so we have to select N here. Now this will automatically reboot our device to the fast boot. And here it started to flash the remaining files. Now this script will automatically flash all these files in our device. So let's just wait for it. It will hardly take 7 to 8 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes depending upon your PC's performance. And now all the files have flashed, and it asks for us to reboot to the system. We have to select Y here to boot it to the system. Now you guys can disconnect your phone from your PC, as we have successfully installed official Nothing OS in our Nothing device. If this video helps you a bit, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for more such amazing content.